Hey guys, this is one of the most unplanned videos that I ever did in my entire life. So my beautiful people, welcome to another yet photo walk. Today we're doing shooting after the sunset. So right now is the blue hour and it's getting super dark right now. And I decided like it would be really cool to go in the center of Amsterdam and to take a couple of pictures of just the nightlife. So we are already at the city center and it's getting super dark and super fast. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the GoPro, which is not here yet, and let's start this photo walk right now. Okay, and here we go. So right now we're at the Dam Square. It's the center of Amsterdam, yeah. And usually I'm shooting with my Sony a6400. Today I'm shooting with the Sigma 30mm 1.4. It's a wide aperture lens, so it will be much easier to shoot during the low light. And absolutely no idea how this picture from the GoPro looks right now. I really hope it's gonna look at least a little bit good. And let's take our first pictures. Boom. That's gonna be the first one. Picture of this night. Yeah, just testing out and yeah, that's it. So let's walk forward. Let's go into the touristic Amsterdam and see how this place actually looks like. Excited. A couple of bicycles here. This one. Boom. All right. We're gonna see. Let's check the autofocus and. All right, that's cool. I hope. Okay. So this is the touristic part of Amsterdam. Oh, this man. Right here.
Next to it, so that's why
That's
I
cool.
remember.
All right, let me see. Okay, that's smooth. But in order to get some cool pictures, we need to walk at the spots where is a lot of light, like this one, for example, or here. That's nice. That was super friendly. Okay. Night photos. Honestly, I don't have any expectation. If it's not gonna work, then it's not gonna work. Okay, so if we're gonna find someone cool here, it's gonna be a cool, dope picture. Because there's a lot of nice light here, and now we're just sneaking in Ruslan. Okay, one more picture, and okay, that's a cool area. Interesting. Autofocus. Are you working? Yes, you're still working. He's not sleeping. That's cool. That's nice. People are the subjects. People are the subjects. For example, like two guys here. That's cool. That's cool. Okay, just let's sit here for a while. Oh, that's cool. Orange plus orange, and yes, just boom. Cool. Capture this one. This one. Can I take a picture of the store? Without you, yeah. 20 euro, man. Okay, take it. Take my money. You're gonna be a celebrity, man. I'm gonna make you. You still look really good. That's cool. Thanks. There. Oh, that's a love story. Indian Bollywood. Nice. Okay. I'm curious if it's good. Yeah, I don't want to die today. I guess here I can take some picture. Like for example, show you the nightlife of the Amsterdam. Boom. This could be potentially a good photo. She's gonna... Really? Place. Okay. It is as it is. Alright, I feel like I'm getting tired step by step. I'm falling asleep. Come on, ISO. Alright, that's quite interesting. Ooh, look at you. That's such a cool bar. Let's go to other direction now. So many people just chilling in the street, just rolling something, something legal. Interesting one. Not now. Not now. Here comes the one. Okay, correct exposure and wait for it, wait for it. Cool. Okay. He's like posing for us. That's cool. Flags, no. Flags, people speaking on the street. Cool. That is interesting, passenger. Alright, that's a cool couple. Look at them. Oh, that's something cool. It's a vehicle. Nice. Drunk, either lonely tourist. Right, that's a really bright place. Oh, two kids. Father and kids in a coffee shop. Oh no, that's a kebab house, sorry. It's not a coffee shop. That's a coffee shop. And once again, people are looking at me. Why he is speaking with himself? Well, I'm filming a video here, bro. And you're not even a bar. Oh, that's cool.
I don't know to bring your picture. Wait.
Let's just stand and wait. That's it? Empty? No. No. I'll be honest, I'm just a visual junkie. Like, I think here you can go wild. Let's take it fast, because I think here we go.